SELBSTGEMACHT, exploring the art of homemade crafts and creations. Welcome to SELBSTGEMACHT, where we celebrate the art of homemade crafts and creations. In a world of mass production and consumerism, there's something truly special about handmade items. Homemade crafts offer a personal touch, allowing individuals to express their creativity and showcase their skills. From jewelry to pottery, knitting to painting, the possibilities are endless when it comes to homemade crafts. Homemade crafts not only provide a creative outlet, but they also promote sustainability and conscious consumption. By supporting homemade crafts, you're not only acquiring a unique piece but also supporting local artisans and small businesses. So, whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, why not explore the world of homemade crafts and let your creativity shine? Join us on SELBSTGEMACHT as we dive into the world of homemade crafts and discover the joy and fulfillment that comes with creating something truly one of a kind. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content about homemade crafts and creations.